If you start your Texas LLC wrong in 2026, you're paying $800 extra, and here's how to avoid it. Here's the problem. Most people skip the registered agent and get fined. File your certificate of formation online with the Texas Secretary of State for $300 in 2026. Get your EIN from the IRS in 15 minutes for free instead of paying a service $200. Starting an LLC in Texas protects your personal assets from business debt. Here's what happens without it. You launch a small consulting business, a client sues you for $50,000, and your personal bank account gets drained because you never formed the LLC. In Texas, 73% of solo entrepreneurs skip this step and regret it within 18 months. The formation takes 3 to 5 business days if you do it right. Miss one requirement and you're delayed 4 weeks. Most people fail here. They use their home address as the business address on the certificate of formation. Texas law requires a registered agent with a physical Texas address. If you use your home, every legal notice and lawsuit gets delivered to your front door. That means your address becomes public record on the Secretary of State website. Anyone can look it up. Privacy gone. You also risk missing court summons if you're traveling. The state charges a $50 penalty for every missed service of process. Go to the Texas Secretary of State SOS Direct portal. Create an account. Click File a document, then Certificate of Formation for a limited liability company. Enter your LLC name. It must include LLC or limited liability company. Check name availability first using the SOS Direct search. The filing fee is $300 in 2026, up from $300 in 2026. Processing takes 3 to 5 business days. Expedited service costs an extra $25 and cuts it to 1 business day. Appoint a registered agent before you file. This is important. Every Texas LLC must have a registered agent with a physical Texas street address. You can be your own agent if you have a Texas address, or hire a service. Bastion Formations offers registered agent service for $99 per year. They handle all legal mail and scan it to your online dashboard. Without a registered agent, the state rejects your filing instantly. Enter the agent's name and address on the Certificate of Formation form in Section 5. Here's the problem. Your LLC exists on paper, but you're not done. Most people stop after filing the certificate and think they're protected. Wrong. You need an EIN from the IRS to open a business bank account or hire employees. Without the EIN, your LLC can't function. Banks won't let you open an account. The IRS EIN application is free and takes 15 minutes online. You'll get the number immediately. Open a separate business bank account within 30 days of formation. This keeps your personal and business money separate. It's called the corporate veil. If you mix funds, a court can pierce the veil and go after your personal assets anyway. Use your EIN and Certificate of Formation to open the account. Texas also requires a franchise tax report every year, due May 15th. Your first report is due the year after formation. If your LLC makes under $2.47 million, you owe zero tax, but you still must file the report. Miss the deadline and you pay a $50 penalty. Copy this exact sentence when you apply for your EIN online. I am applying for an employer identification number for my Texas Limited Liability Company formed on your filing date. I am applying for an employer identification number for my Texas Limited Liability Company formed on your filing date. File Certificate of Formation for $300 online. Appoint registered agent with Texas address first. Get free EIN from IRS in 15 minutes. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit Bastion Formations for the complete Texas LLC package. Visit https://bastionformations.com.